In this video, you'll learn how to transfer Toncoin from your Telegram wallet to OKX. By following these steps, you will successfully complete the transfer process between the two wallets. Begin by opening the OKX wallet app or extension. Once the application is open, navigate to the Receive section, which can typically be found on the main interface. After selecting Receive, you will see a list of cryptocurrencies available for receiving. Next, locate and select Tone from the list. This action will bring up your OKX TOE wallet address. To proceed, copy this address by tapping the Copy button. It is important to ensure that the network selected is the TOE allow for a successful transfer. Now switch your attention to the Telegram wallet. Open the Telegram wallet application and find the option for TON. Once you're on the Telegram page, tap on Send or Transfer, noting that the option for Receive is no longer available in the Telegram wallet interface. After tapping Send, you will be prompted to paste the OKX 2.1 wallet address that you copied earlier. Ensure that you accurately paste the address into the designated field. Following this, enter the amount of Toncoin you wish to transfer, making sure to verify your available balance before proceeding. Before finalizing the transfer, it is crucial to double check all the details, confirm that the wallet address is correct, the selected network is indeed the TON blockchain, and the amount you wish to send is accurate. Once you are satisfied with the information, tap Send or Confirm to initiate the transfer. If prompted, complete any required PIN or biometric verification to finalize the transaction. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.